Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today. Now, granted, the entire markets were once again very eventful, but a lot of price movement on this one, and volume definitely remained very, very respectable and above average. And really, there's two main dynamics that are going on here. And the first key level that really stands out from the resistance side of things is that there's just this constant selling pressure that was involved with the stock the entire day. Now, I get it, selling pressure, those are just words. That's just a phrase for me to just sit here and say that there is selling pressure. I mean, what actually does that even mean? Well, that's why I like charts, because they allow you to take words and then help visualize them. And selling pressure is all about and being visualized by that resistance trend line right there. You can see that the entire day. Sure, there are several times where the price tried to bounce back upwards, but each and every time the price bounced, those highs just kept getting lower and lower. So moral of the story there being that going forward, there can certainly be upwards movements, but I would be very skeptical of any sort of upwards movement until, the selling pressure has, there's evidence that it's, left the stock. And the first bit of that evidence is that the price is, not only breaks above that orange line, but then be able to start, starts to stay up above it. So watch that level there very closely, as it's going to be important to monitor from, is this thing going to bounce? Is this thing got any sort of chance? Well, let's just see if the price can first get above that level. That's step one. And even if the price were to get above there, obviously there's still a lot more work that the price would need to do. But before any sort of talk about a bounce or reversal or anything can really be discussed, the price is first simply just got to get up above that trend line there. So keep a very close eye on that. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, the key level to watch now going forward is going to be right here around the $7-ish area. So $7, and then if $7 can't hold, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside, at that point it would not be shocking at all. See the price then drift back down to that $1 mark. But we'll see what happens with it. Good news is the week is young. It's only Monday, so still 4 days left. So we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.